We have some good news for the Haitian community. Federal judge has blocked the government from ending temporary protected status for Haiti. My name is Ruth Jean, and I am an immigration lawyer practicing in the United States. This is a major legal victory, and it brings important relief, at least for now. The case is called Mio versus Trump, and it was decided by Judge Anna Reyes in federal court in Washington, D.C. Now, the government had previously announced that TPS for Haiti would end today, February 3rd, 2026. But the court has now stopped that from happening while this lawsuit continues. That means that TPS for Haiti stays in place for now. Now, in reading the court's 80-something page decision, this case has made me proud to be Haitian. This case was brought by 5 Haitian TPS holders who bravely stepped forward. One was a neuroscience PhD student researching Alzheimer's treatments. Another was a software engineer supporting his family in Haiti. Another was a lab worker overcoming serious medical challenges. Another, a college student working toward a career in finance. And the last was a registered nurse serving patients here in the U.S. These are not leeches. These are not thieves. These are not statistics. They are workers, students, caregivers, and community members who put their names on this lawsuit to protect not only themselves, but hundreds of thousands of Haitian families. That takes courage, and I'm so proud that they had the courage to do this. Now, the judge did not yet decide whether Haiti will keep TPS for sure, but she did say something that's very important. She said that the government likely broke the law in the way it tried to end TPS. Here's what the court found troubling with what the government did. Basically, DHS may have already decided to end TPS before truly reviewing any conditions. The agency ignored evidence showing Haiti faced extreme violence and instability. It failed to properly consult other government agencies, which the law requires. Overlooked the fact that Haitian TPS holders work legally, pay taxes, and support the U.S. economy. Because of all of these problems, the court said that TPS cannot be terminated right now. Now, this matters because if TPS had ended, people would lose their work permits, families could lose income overnight, and people could face deportation to a country that the U.S. itself warns Americans not to travel to. The court said that this kind of harm is serious and immediate, and that's one reason why the court stepped in to block this decision. Now, this decision is a temporary block, and it's not the final outcome on the case. The government may appeal. The lawsuit will likely continue in court, and eventually the court will make a final ruling on whether the TPS termination was lawful. But for now, TPS remains in effect. So if you or a loved one has TPS for Haiti, here's what you need to know. The TPS for now is still valid. Your work authorization for now continues to be valid, and you remain protected from removal. But that's all for now. This is not the time to relax completely. It is the time to stay informed, renew documents if it comes time to renew them, and explore any other options you may have. This is not the time to sit on your rights. It is a breathing period, but just that. Now, this ruling reminds me of something very powerful. When people stand up, like these 5 plaintiffs did, the courts can still provide protection and accountability. Their bravery helped protect an entire community. And for that, again, I am proud to be Haitian. We will keep updates and keep you informed. But in the meantime, stay safe and don't make immigration decisions without speaking to a qualified immigration attorney. Thank you.